Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without pressing subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. Sorry that I updated you today that Kosingiphile Ngcobo said we have shown we call beat Mamelodi Sundowns. Kosingiphile Ngcobo says that are in a buoyant mood as a squad they have shown in the past year are capable of beating Mamelodi Sundowns. Kosingiphile Ngcobo said, "We are preparing well, as we do for all games. We are ready to go. As footballers, we are always looking for improve. It's what I have been working for, to improve my games, and I have seen it. I'm happy." Kosingiphile Ngcobo said ahead of the game, "I think with the previous game we have shown we can beat Mamelodi Sundowns. So I think the game plan worked very well in our last game against them. We just have to continue with our game plan," Kosingiphile Ngcobo said. "We know that Mamelodi Sundowns is a team that likes to have the ball. So for us, it's to defend well and make sure we do as them happen to got our absence. So if you are new here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without pressing subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section."